Hi, this is David Feeks from the Parents Estate Planning Law Firm, and today I want to talk to you about do-it-yourself estate planning. Look, I know it's tempting to chase what seems like an easy and inexpensive online solution, but in reality, it's going to turn out to be the most time-consuming, expensive, and difficult option for your family. So let me share with you three reasons why do it yourself estate planning can be a disaster for you and for your family. Reason number one, there's no one to help you or to guide you. When you choose an online service like LegalZoom or Quicken Willmaker, you're on your own. There's no one coming to the rescue if you need help. And I know that LegalZoom says they have attorneys standing by to answer your questions. But the ugly truth is, I know of attorneys who work for LegalZoom who admit that when they were answering customer questions, they weren't sure they were giving them the right answers. Do you really want to gamble with your family's future like that? Better to work with an experienced estate planning attorney who'll be by your side, helping you to make the best decisions for you and for your family. Reason number two, you're going to make mistakes. No matter what the online services promise, do it yourself estate planning is a one size fits all, middle of the road solution. It has to be because there's no other way a big company like LegalZoom can make a profit otherwise. And if you don't fit their mold, there's going to be mistakes littered throughout your plan. How do I know this? Because I have to fix those mistakes when prospective clients come to me and ask me to review their LegalZoom documents. Look, it's like me trying to do my own electrical work. Sure, there's lots of how-to videos I can go and watch on YouTube, but the end result is I'm almost guaranteed to either electrocute myself or burn my family's house down. Don't light your family's future on fire with a do-it-yourself plan. Reason number three, if something happens to you, your family's going to be lost and alone. And this is a biggie because the last thing you want your family to be asking if you die is, uh-oh, what do we do now? Who are they going to call? LegalZoom? Quicken Willmaker? Susie Orman? Susie's not answering that call. They're going to be left lost and confused. And why would you want to leave your family like that? Look, I know that the internet makes things easier and more convenient in a lot of ways. Groceries, for example, but estate planning is just not one of those things. And I know it can seem overwhelming and confusing, but it doesn't have to be that way if you've got a trusted advisor by your side. Let us help you and your family avoid the headaches and even the heartache of a cheap do it yourself plan. Let our team guide you and help you to make the best decisions for your family so that you know if anything ever happens to you, your family will have a bright future no matter what. And that's the best gift that you can ever give to your family. So just call our office and talk to our client services coordinator. You can reach her at 978 263 6900. Or if it's easier, you can schedule a call online. Just click on the link below. Either way, she'll walk you through everything you need to do to get this most important planning done for your family.